Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you about the difference between organized and unorganized sector. Student, I want to tell you that it is very important question. It has been asked many times in examination of 3 marks as well as of 5 marks. So please be attentive toward my topic, difference between organized sector and unorganized sector. I want to tell you that whenever you are writing difference, then you need to write the difference in this format. It will be the good answer presentation in SST. I told you SST is the subject of 3 words: answer presentation, creativeness, and handwriting. So if you are writing the answer in this format, then you will get very nice marks, because this format will affect on examiner and he can read the answer in a one way. So let's start the topic, difference between organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector, unorganized sector definition I told you in last lecture, that how these are formed. So first difference is on the basis of formation. Organized sector are registered with the government. Unorganized sector are not registered with the government. Means organized sector have incorporated with the government or is any authority of government. But unorganized sector are formed in an unplanned way, in a scattered manner, and without any legal formalities. So the first difference will be related to the formation. Next difference, rules and regulation. In unorganized sector, all rules and regulation are followed. Students, I want to tell you what rules and regulation. Rules and regulation regarding workers such as Factory Act, Minimum Wages Act, Shop Establishment Act, and Gratuity Act, means all rules and regulation which are related to the workers as well as for the company. These rules regulation are followed in organized sector, and unorganized sector no rules and regulation are followed. Students, you have seen in open shops, street vendor, they do not form any legal they do not follow any kind of rules and regulation. Next difference will be regarding job security. In organized sector, employee enjoy job security.